Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to talk about a tool that not many people speak about, and it's one of the best Explorer tools you've ever seen. And it's the only Explorer tool in your computer, if you use Windows, that you will ever need. Go to voidtools.com, voidtools.com, and you'll be landing on this page. On this page, depending on what type of computer you have, in the left side of the installers, you have for 32-bit. On the right side, you have for 64-bit. And as always, I usually download the full installer, the .exe file, not the zip file. You hit download this file, and you download it wherever you like. You go to your desktop, I'm going to do here for demonstration purposes. Once it's downloaded, you click on the downloaded file, you click OK, I agree, start everything on system startup, yes, always leave that open. Folder context menus, it's a must, and the rest you can leave just as is. Install it, let it finish installing, and in a minute you can just hit finish and run everything, right? In this page now, I don't really have a lot of stuff in this machine since it's a virtual machine just for demonstration purposes only. Now, how you do it here, let's say you have a video that you had backed up years ago or whatever in one of your drives, and you hit, I don't know, video. I'm just making it up, right? As you type, this software will actually show you results. We're talking as you type. Forget about the Windows folder. Windows Explorer does not really even go close to everything. In this case here, let's say we searched for a video. You want to search for that specific name now. You click search, and you can specify to search for videos only, pictures only, folders, .exe files, documents, compressed audio, or just everything. In this case, let's say the pictures. Look at that. It finds every single file that contains that name. And these are just computer files that I don't even know what they are, because it's just a virtual machine. We go to search again. And let's say we want to search for a video on that video. I don't have anything, but usually it finds it right away. You click search again. We want to search for a document. Or, in this case, we delete the name altogether. And you want to show every single document that you have on your computer. Click search without entering any name. And you search for folders. All your folders. Hit search again. All your compressed files or zip files, which is nothing of mine, and so on and so on. It's extremely important to have this tool on your PC. It's free, and we are not sponsored or endorsed by this company, but it's an extremely important tool to have. And I hope you like this tutorial, and we'll see you on the next one. Go to voidtools.com and see it for yourself. Then you will know what I'm talking about. Bye. Thank you for watching.